Okay, today guys we have the Bosch random orbital sander that I just got from Lowe's. This is the ROS20VSC, 2.5 amps. It's a box with a nice case in it. That's it. Got some documentation and some sandpaper. 80 grit sandpaper. So here is the sander, and it comes with an attachment for some dust collection system. Just pull up on these tabs here. Has a filter system in there. It's supposed to be pretty good dust collection. So this part just pops off. It takes a little bit of work, but because it has an O-ring, and the attachment can be used if you want to hook it up to a hose for dust collection. This comes with some special Velcro system. It does not feel like normal Velcro, but it does work. Guess I'll find something to sand. Okay, I got my 80 grit sandpaper, and I'm going to test on this piece right here. Seems to work really nice. There's absolutely no dust. As you can see, there is some dust in the dust collection. There's no dust floating around that I could see, so the dust collection system works very well.